Hi everyone, today it's a short review of Dr. Shed's Basic Brightening Extra Gentle Daily Peel. This is one of their more popular products. They promote this a lot, and this is, of course, very exciting as far as Indian skin regions are concerned because this is an acid based exfoliator. It is based on lactic acid and glycolic acid, as you can see here actives, glycolic acid, exfoliating lactic acid, pomegranate extracts, which is supposed to be brightening. But we recommend that extracts are largely gimmicky. But yes, actives like glycolic and lactic acids are fairly decent to incorporate in your skincare because they exfoliate your dead skin very mildly and gently. They can be used by virtually everyone except for very sensitive skins, and they give you fresher, nicer, newer, more glowy skin. So this product we think is meant to be like a dupe for the very popular Sunday Riley Good Genes, which is also a lactic and glycolic acid based exfoliator, because this one also comes in a cream format. So the texture is a cream format. Usually acids are um, in toners, but this one comes in a cream format, so that means that this is meant to be a little bit more hydrating. uh, this can for oily skins be as good as their moisturizer. We would recommend to use at night, not really during the day, because it doesn't quite fit the day routine very well. But as you saw, this is a very it's a very gentle, very light moisturizer, um, and it sinks in fairly quickly, as you can see. But this is fairly heavy for oily skins, especially. So, this is meant to be like a dupe for Good Genes because that is also a cream formulation of acids, but it doesn't really compare to Good Genes because, firstly, as we compared with the brand, this has only 2% lactic and 2% glycolic acid, so that's only 4% of acids. That's very low to give you any real benefits. It is okay for very sensitive skins, but we find that the percentage of acids in this product is actually very low. And if you compare it to Good Genes, that actually gives you very visible difference after one or two uses, but this one really wouldn't. It can be still good as a maintenance product that you can use on a daily basis if you don't feel like you have too much texture or too much need for exfoliation, like you don't have a lot of whiteheads. Then you don't really need to use acids on a daily basis, but this one you can use daily just for maintenance, to just keep your skin nice and glowy and free of whiteheads especially, and bumpy texture. But overall it is a little disappointing. It's quite heavy. Generally you incorporate acids in your routine as a toner or as some sort of a liquidy serum. This one is a moisturizer. It's very difficult to figure out where you should place your acids with this product because normally you use your serums for more important actives in your night skincare routine, especially. So we would think that this product is really a 2 out of 5 stars. Also because it doesn't really have too much of the acids. Good Genes, for example, has 10%, if you're not wrong. This one only has 4%, which is not a lot. The other thing we found very strange about Dr. Shed, which is a dermatologist led brand, is that they're actually not very clear about the ingredients. They don't The packaging for this, for example, did not have ingredients list mentioned anywhere. There was no ingredients list mentioned even on the outer packet, no paper, and it's not there on this bottle either. Some of their products come with ingredients list on the packaging, some come with only key ingredients. We found on their website also that for some products there were only key ingredients, some ingredient lists were upside down, they were not in the order, and the ingredients list needs to be in the order for the person to figure out which ingredient is in how much quantity. Then in others, they mentioned key ingredients separately and other ingredients separately, but then you don't know where in the ingredients list do the key ingredients go. So it's very confusing overall. And for a brand like this, which is focusing on ingredients, you would expect that they would do a better job of telling you the ingredients, and I hope they're listening. That's all for today. Thanks a lot for tuning into Skintified, and do leave your messages for more reviews that you would like to see.